If someone had asked me what's the easiest business to start in South Africa today, my answer would probably surprise you. Not because it's flashy, not because it's the newest trend available, but because it's one of the few business models I found that doesn't require you to create your own product, manage stocks, or even rent office space. Now, before you think this is another rich, quick video, it isn't. In fact, there are things I think you should know before you even consider starting an online business. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. I don't think it's a secret that more people are looking for additional ways to earn. Some want flexibility, some want to build something outside of their job, and others simply want to learn a skill that opens new opportunities. And the problem is that when you search online, you are immediately overwhelmed. I mean, one person says crypto, another says drop shipping, someone else says Amazon, and another might say become an influencer. And before you know it, you're more confused than when you actually started. So the four questions I asked myself is, if I was going to build something online, if I had to meet four requirements, like there was be no inventory, had to be no shipping, it had to be flexible, and it had to be skill-based. Now those four questions eliminated about 90% of the business model I was looking at. The biggest myth about earning online isn't that it's impossible, is that there's a shortcut. Now, every legitimate online business requires learning something. I mean, there's marketing, communication, content creation, sales, customer understanding. The business model matters, but the skills you develop matter even more. And this builds trust because you're not promising easy money. Our affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commission when someone purchases a product or services through your referral. And that doesn't mean you just post a link and you wait. The real work is learning how to connect people with solutions that genuinely fit their needs. So when I was looking for a structured way to learn, I wanted more than just an affiliate program. I wanted the training, the systems, the community. Now that is what led me to Digital Magnetic System. It's a paid training program, and it's important to know this upfront because you're investing in education, in tools and support. You're not just buying a guarantee of income. Now what appealed to me was having a roadmap instead of trying to piece everything together from random videos and blog posts. I mean, just in 3 months alone, I was able to earn 6 figures with Digital Magnetic System. Now that is my story through my dedication, commitment and hard work. But if I could do it, a mom with no degree, diploma, no knowledge and experience of digital and affiliate marketing, then what stops you from being able to do it as well? And I think this is important to say that if you're looking for money by next week, this probably isn't the right mindset. If you're willing to learn new skills and stay consistent and build something over time, then this is worth exploring. This video has helped you understand how this business model works, and the next step is absolutely simple because I've recorded a free webinar where I explain the Digital Magnetic System in much more detail. What you learn and who it's designed for, and you'll find the link in the description below. Whether you choose Digital Magnetic System or another path, my biggest piece of advice is this: stop searching for the perfect opportunity. Choose one business model, commit to learning it, and give yourself enough time to become good at it. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.